In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play with created player in NBA 2K26. First of all, go to feature section. Under it, we need to go to create a player, and then we need to select an option to create our player. So I'm just gonna create a NBA player, and I have already done that. You can see Jeremy Reeves is the player I have created, and his age is 21, his rating is 83. And now I wanna assign him into different team so that I can play with him. So for that, we need to go back from here after creating player. Then we need to go to create roster, and from here you can choose whatever option you like. So I'm just gonna pick this one, which is modern current. And once you pick this option, then it will ask you to pick your roster. So I'm just gonna pick this one, which is injury free. And after you pick your roster, then we have to filter it by the created player. And to do that, you can press RT or LT key on your Xbox controller, or L2 or R2 on your PlayStation controller. So as you can see, this is free agency players, and I want to filter it by created players, and you can see that here. So this is the player I want to assign into different team. So for that, we need to select it, and then you can see I have a bunch of options here. I want to copy him to different team. So for that, I can directly select this option, or you can copy him to a free agency. I want to copy him to a team. So for that, I'll select this option here. Then it will show you all the teams you can assign him to. So let's say I want to assign him to Chicago Bulls, then I can just select that. But you can see Chicago Bulls already have 15 players. This is the maximum limit for a teams to have. So for that, we need to add him to different teams, or you can remove some players from Chicago Bulls. Then you can add this player into that team. So now I want to add him to Philadelphia. Then for that, I can just select that team, then confirm the assigning. So I'll just confirm that here, and now my player will be assigned into that team. So for that, we need to filter it by the team. So this is the team I have assigned him to, and now if I scroll down here, then I can find the player I have assigned here. You can see Jeremy Reeves has been added here. You can edit their stats, trade them, or move them around however you like. But to actually have them play in games, you'll need to adjust the team rotations. By default, new players start with 0 minutes. That means they won't play unless you manually give them some minutes on the court. To do this, go into the rotations menu and look at each position. You'll need to take minutes away from other players at the same position and assign them to your created player. If you want a realistic approach, you don't have to start them immediately in the starting lineup. Instead, just give them a small amount of minutes at first. Over time, you can gradually increase their minutes as they gain experience or as you simulate progression. Once the minutes are assigned, back out of the rotation menu and save the roster. Your created player is now officially part of the team and will appear in any mode, whether it's regular games, playoffs, or quick matches. Finally, remember that everything is fully adjustable. You can trade your player, edit their stats, or even move them back to the free agency if you want. This gives you complete control over how your created player progresses in your team. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.